Hi, my name is Yi-Chun Hsieh, and today I'm going to tell about my Lab3 project. For the first Pi document is the coin collector, but I change it to the cat and food. Let's see about the code first. The first part, we just import two images, the cat and the cat food into our program. Then here we define the width and the height of the windows, the user interface of the game. Then initialize the score to 0. Here, we need to draw our two picture and also our game user interface color. Then add some text on it. And this is the color and the position and the font size of the text. And then we decide if the time is up, which means scan over. The screen, what will the screen will do? First, it will change the color to tomato, and this is the color of in the Python. Then we will tell you what the final food you got, and then is the where to press the cat food, and we define the time, and also what we should do, what the program will do after you press the key button, the keyboard on your computer, such as if you press left, the cat will go left. You press right, the cat will go right, etc. Then what will it do after the cat food is collected? You will get some more scores, and you will press the cat food in another random position, like here is the function that we defined earlier. Then just run it. So the program will look like this. First, you will have the game user interface, then you press the keyboard to let a cat to get some food. Then after 20 seconds, you will have your final food got, and that is your final score. Okay, so let's move on to next. Then the first one I'm going to introduce you about the polynomial regression. In this polynomial regression, I did not yes, I just use the X range and also a bunch of the Y values to present the function instead of just put the function, the polynomial function on it. Then this is the regression part. Okay, let me show you the result. Yeah, this is the result of the polynomial regression after the fit for order 3. So once I change the regression to 2, it will show like this. So 3 is the more accurate number for polynomial regression. So let's move on to the next one. So this is the linear regression. In this linear regression, we use our Excel file to import all of our data to our Python like this. I just input all the X and Y values into this Excel file. And in this we just create two array and we put our data in the Excel file into both two array. Then just plot it out. Then use the linear regression to do the curve fitting. So let me show you the result. Yep, this is the result of the linear regression. And if you want to check that if we get the correct data from the Excel file, we just use this to check. Like, wait a second. Let me open this file. Okay. Here you will see that in the first 5 number, the x value is -2, -1.5 till 1 -1.6, and also the corresponding y values. So this can prove that we get the correct data. So let's move on to the damped sine wave curve fit. So in this part, I need to add another information for the last part. For the previous two function, I just use this, the 4x cubed minus 5x squared minus 5x plus 1. Use this function to, and also I use all of this data to put them into my Excel file. Okay, for the next two part, I use this function with the parameters a equals 2, b, c, d, they are all equals to 2. It's like this. The function will be like this. And after I run this file, and we can get this curve fit. The reason why this figures look like this is that, wait a second, is that it just only shows the right hand side of the figure. So this is the reason why the Python plot will be like this. So this is the damped sine wave curve fit. This is the original one and the sine fit one. Okay, the next one is it's almost the same, but with some noise added. So I just plot it out. So the original plot will look like this, and we use a noise to make it like use this method to do the curve fitting. So once I change it to the 1000, it will show like a different result. So it's a different range, you will get a different result from this part. Okay, so for the final is to generate a waveform with two variables. So I just use two different variables to generate this waveform, and also to test it with different number. Like here I did the 5 tests in this file. So there should be 5 tests in this file, and this is the original one. The original one is the original function. The second one, I use 20 and 20, and this number is too big, so that the outcome is not so accurate. So we just reduce the number down to 10, 10, and it's not good enough. So till the 5 and in the end once we input the 2 then we will have the perfect curve fitting for this part. And what if we use the 1 it will show like this is not good enough for the regression. So this is all my stuff in lab 3. Thank you.